Want a cruiser with serious attitude that turns heads without shouting for attention? Honda's blacked out masterpiece delivers exactly that. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're checking out the 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom, the dark horse of the cruiser world that's all business and pure style. Design. The Shadow Phantom lives up to its name with menacing all black everything. From the blacked out engine to the dark wheels and minimal chrome, this bike embraces the bobber inspired aesthetic perfectly. The low profile, trimmed fenders, and solo seat configuration create that stripped down, rebellious look. The matte and gloss black contrast adds depth without breaking the monochromatic theme. This is minimalism with maximum impact. Performance. Underneath the stealth styling sits the proven 745cc V-twin that's powered shadows for years. The engine provides smooth, relaxed power, ideal for urban cruising and weekend rides. Low-end torque comes on strong, while the comfortable ergonomics make longer rides enjoyable. The accessible seat height and manageable weight inspire confidence for riders of all experience levels. Features and technology. The Phantom keeps things simple and functional. Shaft drive means minimal maintenance, while fuel injection ensures reliable performance. The understated gauges provide necessary information without cluttering the clean aesthetic. Conclusion. The 2026 Shadow Phantom proves black never goes out of style. Does this dark cruiser match your vibe? Drop your thoughts below. Like this video and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motorcycle content. Keep riding!